Welcome to Spring LIB.
Let's synthesize each of the following compounds, starting from benzene, for A. Starting from benzene, react with Br2, presence of FeBr3. This would produce bromobenzene. And we'll react this in the presence of HNO3 and H2SO4. So I'll add on NO2 in the para position, and then a reaction with tin and HCl. This would produce Br and H2N, and there is our synthesis of compound A, starting from benzene. Synthesize compound B, again starting from benzene. React this CH3Cl in the presence of AlCl3. This would produce toluene. Then with nitric acid and H2SO4. CH3 and NO2 in the para position, and then we're going to react this here with Br2 in the presence of FeBr3. This will produce our desired compound here. This will be CH3, O2N, and Br. Synthesize compound C, starting from benzene. And this will first react with this complex here, which will produce this complex here, react with HNO3 and H2SO4. And it would produce in the para position here NO2. And then we're going to react this with, let's do this going down, CH3OCl and AlCl3. And this will be our desired complex here. CH3, CH3, sorry, this is incorrect here. This will be CH3, COCl. Synthesize complex D, starting from benzene. CH3Cl, in the presence of AlCl3. This will produce toluene, and then HNO3, H2SO4. This would produce CH3 and O2, and then in the presence of tin and hydrochloric acid, this would be CH3 and NH2, and then reacting this with KMNO4 would produce COOH and NH2. There's our desired complex for D. For E, starting from benzene, this is going to first react with CH3, CH2COCl in the presence of AlCl3 to produce C double bond O, CH2CH3, and then react with Br2 in the presence of FeBr3. This is C double bond O, double bond there, CH2CH3 in the presence of brome, or adding bromine on. And then we'll react this with HNO3 and H2SO4. And this will produce NO2 added on there, C double bond O, CH2CH3, we have bromine there. And then in the presence of tin and HCl, we'll get our desired compound here. This will be NH2, C double bond O, CH2, CH3, and Br. And lastly, for G, for F, starting from bromine once again, or benzene once again, CH3, CH2, COCl in the presence of AlCl3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3, and then reacting this with Cl2 in the presence of FeCl3. This is C double bond O, CH2, CH3, and chlorine, in the meta position. And then reacting with zinc, mercury, and HCl. This would be CH2, CH2, CH3, Cl. And then we react this with CH3COCl. And the presence of AlCl3, and this would yield CH2, CH2, CH3, Cl, double bond O. And then we'll react this with lithium aluminum hydride. This will give us CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3, Cl, OH, and then finally with concentrated sulfuric acid, this is CH2, CH2, CH3, Cl, and double bond there, and there's our compound F that is synthesized starting from benzene.